Hi guys, Brett here at Kendal Automart. Just want to take you around this BMW 330i M Sport. Just before I do, just want to tell you a little bit more about us here at Kendal Automart. So we're attached to the Honda dealership you see in the background there, and the Seat dealership you see to the left here. So they bring most of the vehicles that we bring to you in via part exchange. All of our servicing, MOT repairs is all done with our Honda trained technicians in our Kendal Honda dealership. And we're situated just off the Upholstery Road in Kendal, with that lovely viewpoint from the window, and all of our vehicles are stored on site ready to view and test drive when you're ready. Like I say, BMW 330i, 272 horsepower, plenty of go, automatic, so really easy to drive, such a luxurious vehicle as well. Leather interior, get the grey M Sport 19-inch alloys there as well. As I go around, see rear one there. So as always, we'll show you any defects or anything that I can point out in the video. You've got the rear park sensors there as well. Again, this alloy here, oh, it's in good condition. No marks on the door edges there. Front one here, just got a little nick just on the top there, but again that'll be sorted as part of our prep, so no worries there. But it is really good, really good example. Been really well cared for and evident in the service history. We've got the front sensors there as well, and as I mentioned earlier, you've got the full leather interior which runs throughout the vehicle as well, with the 4 seats. M Sport spec, just over 78,000 on the clock. You've got mounted audio controls, automatic paddles as well. You've got keyless start. In here you've got navigation, auxiliary, Bluetooth, all in there. You've got your dual zone climate control with your front heated seats there as well, really good. Park sensors below, automatic gearbox, and all your options for your touch screen in there. Service history, like I say, really good. So 2012, 12 again, 13, 14, and then 15, 16, late 16, and 17, and then 19, and then been serviced with us upon arrival as well. You've got two BMW Keys as well. Like I say, good example, leather all in really good condition, plenty of history, and plenty of go, as I said, with the 272 horsepower. But any more questions or anything, please do let me know. But thank you very much again for watching.